You know, a lot of people in their mid-20s talk about work-life balance when they're starting a business. Welcome to my backyard, and as the CEO of a multi-million-dollar business, let me be straight with you. When you're just starting out, if you really want to get rich, there is no balance. I'm not saying this to scare you. I'm telling you the truth. Now, here's why. Competition is fierce. There are almost no barriers to entry in many industries nowadays, and you're not just competing with somebody across town, you're competing with people around the world. You've got somebody in New Delhi, in Beijing, or wherever, working 16 hours a day, 7 days a week. And if you're not willing to put in that kind of work, guess what? They're going to kick your butt. That's the cold, hard reality of business today. So here's what you need to do. In your 20s, focus on building your base. This is your time to grind, to deal with the stress, and push yourself harder than ever. But here's the good news. Stress is a motivator. It pushes you to grow. It drives you to build something that lasts. And once you've built that solid foundation, then you can start thinking about taking some time off. But trying to balance it all when you're still in the early hustle phase, well, it's just not reality. So buckle up and focus on the long game, and remember, balance will come later. But first, you've got to earn it. Subscribe for more. This is The Business Guy.